Welcome to Little House in Southwoods. Today we're going to show you how to make irresistible, creamy, chocolatey peanut butter balls. In a mixing bowl, stir together 1/2 cup of peanut butter and 3 tablespoons of softened butter. Gradually add 1 cup of powdered sugar, stirring till combined. Shape into 1-inch balls. Place on waxed paper. Let stand until dry. Melt candy coating or chocolate chips. Cool slightly. Dip balls one at a time into coating. Let excess coating drip off peanut butter balls. Place on waxed paper. Let stand until the coating is firm. Store tightly covered in the refrigerator. Serve and enjoy.